In Case Study 1, problems with previous system, numerous parts, multiple complex machining operations, complex assembly, several vendors. PBC linear solution, compact zero maintenance design, significantly reduced part count. Case Study 2, problems with previous system, multiple 14-piece assembly, no machine surfaces, misalignment and poor repeatability, contamination pockets. PBC linear solution, one rail, one carriage. Case Study 3, problems with previous system, a complex engraving required several bearings, assembly parts, and machining processes to complete. PBC linear solution, combining all these elements into one part. Case Study 4, problems with previous system, numerous parts, multiple installation and alignment steps, cost reduction needed. PBC linear solution, one rail, one carriage, and fasteners.